Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are having a little look at a diagnostic tool that has been sent over by XTOOL. There it is, a little nifty carry case from XTOOL. These are all the gear. This is a bi-directional scanner, so it means you can actually do stuff with it. I've turned it on to save up the boot process. It's got a camera on the back, nifty little holder to clip on the steering wheel. There we go. It's all loaded up. You've got, basically with this tool you can do a trial, which is what I just clicked on, or you can register it. I'll do that when I'm at home. You get 3 years worth of free updates with this as well. And the D7's pretty nifty little bit of kit by the look of it. So yeah, let's get this plugged in, let's find out what's up with this, and let's see how straightforward this is to use. It looks pretty cool, to be honest, and I'm guessing we're going to smash the auto scan button and see how that function behaves. I'm presuming it'll need a load of updates doing. I've just tethered it to my phone at the moment, but I can do that when I get home. A bit of glare off that screen, but yeah, pretty cool. Should be quite straightforward, and yeah, let's see what this can do. Right, I found the problem. Left rear ABS wheel speed sensor. That is what's giving us our issue. No signal from control module, probably won't be that. Engine control module, please read DCC. Okay, so the left rear ABS ring has probably got a problem with this. That is what I'm guesstimating. Coding, we're not going to get involved with coding, but you can, because this is a is it called bilateral scanner? I can't remember. You can do some coding. It's not going to code, I'm guessing it's not going to code keys and stuff, but you could code injectors in with something like this and things like that. High beam, what else have we got problems with? Radio, TV, no, that's all fine. We'll leave that be. Common special, let's see what special functions we can do. So we can do an oil reset, we can put it in transport mode, we can do steering angle sensors, EPB, I don't know what that is, seat calibration, gearbox match, headlights, 3 generations electronic thermostat matching, coolant and exhaust. I'm not going to fiddle with any of them, but it's got some good special features on that. When I go back to automatic scan, I'll let this run and I'll come back to you and we'll clear some codes now. Right, I've done a full scan. We've got 4 fault codes for the navigation. We know Dan's retrofitted a DAB one, and the original aerial is not in the wing mirror anymore. Someone's changed it. The OBD interface one, don't know what that is. The central electrics, he's got a problem with the doors. When the doors shut and something to do with the locking, but we've worked out by reading this, where it's saying implausible signals and stuff like that, we've worked out that it's this rear door, so the switch is probably bad on that. So we've figured that much out. That one's fine. Transmission electronics, 1 fault there. Data bus missing message, don't know what that means, but he's going to have a little look at that. Electronics, glow plug 2, he knows about that. So all of the rest are okay, but we needed to find out what the ABS light was for, which is the left rear wheel speed sensor. So that's all good. I'm going to go with clearing all the DTCs, and then I can rescan it and see what comes back, because some of these might be old codes, not 100% sure. So we'll let that do what it's doing. I don't know how long it'll take. It's pretty quick, this scanner, to be fair. Quite impressed. Some of them take forever. This one's pretty good. I'll pop back when that's finished. It's doing them one by one. Right, there we go. So it's cleared them all except the navigation failure, which is what I expected, because that's not plugged in. It's not reading what it needs to read. So the ABS one will come back on when we drive it. That's not a problem, but we've found out that it's the left rear wheel speed sensor, so that's fine. So we're going to get out of that. We're going to go special features, and we'll do an oil reset for him.